Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall! Wow, people. Dancehall Skilla there here again with more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone are alright. Manners and respect. Big up, see? Alright, now first things first. I am going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are from a video that have been posted on social media. Now, the video that have been posted on social media shows some things that happened during a fight between two persons at a gas station that is located within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The video shows when one person used an object to hit the other person more than one time. The video also shows when a person used the nozzle of a gas pump to pour gas on the other person. Based on the fight that happened between those two men, some people might say that they both spilled gas on each other. But anyways, according to information that I got about the situation and the video that have been posted on social media, and according to some things that I saw in the video that have been posted on social media, I got the understanding that the video shows a surveillance video footage. I got the understanding that there was a confrontation between those two persons who fight with each other, and the confrontation escalated to a point where one person attacked the other person, and then those two persons started to fight with each other. The video also shows when the police from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago arrived at the location where the fight happened. And I also got the understanding that the situation was explained to the police. I did not get any confirmed information if any of those persons who fight with each other had been arrested, and I did not get any confirmed information if anyone got badly injured. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, one of the reasons why I am presenting these pieces of videos to you is because the entire video is being talked about on social media. And based on some things that you're about to see in these pieces of videos, I would like you to tell me what you think about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. Alright? And in my point of view, I think that what those two persons had done was dangerous, because gas is highly flammable. Gas was spilled on motor vehicles, viewers and subscribers. I mean, what if there was a spark? And what if a fire started, viewers and subscribers? You understand? That's very dangerous, alright? And no one should be fighting with each other either. Alright? But you can let me know what you think about these pieces of videos that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, please bear in mind that these pieces of videos are from a video that have been posted on social media, and the video that have been posted on social media shows when two persons fight with each other at a gas station that is located within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. So before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe. You might talk about spilling gas all over the place. That's dangerous. That's dangerous. See? That's really dangerous. Okay. So there you can see when the police arrived at the location, viewers and subscribers.
Yeah, good bat.
There's somebody in the background video too. Dangerous. That's really dangerous. Now, my people, let me tell you something. If me there at a gas station pump and me realize that two persons are fight and somehow gas spill at that pump, me I leave, you know. Even if me have to leave my motor vehicle behind, you know. Me not stay nowhere near that type of situation, my people. Gas highly flammable, you know, one spark can cause a big explosion at a gas station, you know. See? So if I somehow find myself at a gas station and two persons are fighting and then one of those persons somehow pour the gas from the nozzle of a gas pump on the other person, I am leaving even if I have to leave my motor vehicle behind. I'm not staying. If so be the case, I might run out of gas on the way then, viewers and subscribers, but I'm not staying. That's dangerous. Yeah, that's dangerous, my people. So, may I tell you like it is? You can tell me what you think about the things that I said, but I'm not staying there. Why is it that those two persons could not try and talk over them differences? Why is it so hard for them to talk over their differences? Why are they so angry at each other? You're probably surprised to hear what those two persons fight for. I tell them, people. Anyways, let me know what you think about those pieces of videos that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, my people, what would you do if you go to your bathroom to use a toilet, and when you look in the bowl of the toilet, you see a lizard? One that can be considered as a big lizard too. And then the lizard somehow climbed down the toilet. What would you do? Well, I'm going to present a video to you, make you see a situation like that, viewers and subscribers. I would like to know, what would you do if you find yourself in a situation like this, where a lizard climb down your toilet? Yeah. You tell me what you think, my people. Observe.
In the toilet. Serious? Oh, unbelievable. Yo, that's shout out, bro.
Where I do? Where I do? Me people, me I tell you. Me no know enough people, but me I tell you. Maybe me I get one commode. Me no go on the toilet if you have no, sir. Then if the lizard go down it, maybe it can come up. Anyways, here my best advice still. See? My best advice though is to call animal control or so forth. You know, make them know what happened. You see me? Make them know so that they down the toilet or so forth. You understand me? Yeah man, that's the best advice to give when it comes down to this situation. You see me? Although me know say you have people who might want to handle the situation different. You understand? But I think that's the best advice. Remember, no, if one lizard do this, another lizard can do it. See it? Although when I first may I see videos on social media with certain type of situation like that. So me I say to you, yeah, but remember me see all a video with one snake in one toilet bowl too, Yo, me I tell you, my people, my best advice is to call the animal control. You know what I mean? Yeah, but me know say you have some people who are going to tell me different. Well, you can let me know what you think, but me I give the best advice me know there is. See it? Me I tell you the truth, Alright. Thank God that never happened to me yet. Anyways, I move on to another topic. Now, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might have seen pictures circulating on social media, and you might have also seen posts circulating on social media about two 9-year-old children who have been reported missing to the police within the country of Jamaica, and it is said that they are twins. It is said that they were last seen on June 14, the year 2022, and that they both goes by the last name of Holness. That's what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers. Now, based on news articles that I read, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that those two children were located, see, and that they were found in their biological mother's care, see, but there are more information about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers, that I'm going to explain to you. See, and I want you to please bear in mind that I'm going to explain to you in my words and according to how I understand the news articles that I read about this whole situation. See, please bear that in mind. Now, It is said that head of Area 1 Police, and who is also said to be Assistant Commissioner of Police Clifford Chambers, said that the two children were found in their mother's care, which is unauthorized. It is said that the biological mother of the two children lost legal custody of the two children of viewers and subscribers, and they were legally placed in the custody of an individual who is not a relative. One news article said that Chambers said that the state agency is involved and a social worker assigned to the CPFSA is also involved in the viewers and subscribers. See? So it is understood that the person who have legal custody for those two children allowed the biological mother to take the two children in her care over a holiday weekend. So it is said that Chambers said that the social worker was making contact with the person who had legal custody for the two children. And based on what Chambers said, it seems as if the person who had legal custody for the two children was not able to give an account for them. So the social worker raised an alarm with the police to locate the boy and the girl. Anyway, so according to more information that I got from those news articles that I read, I got the understanding that efforts to contact the mother was proved futile. You see me as a viewers and subscribers, so the social worker reported them missing to the CCU, that's the Cooperative Communications Unit from within the country of Jamaica, is what I'm saying to you. So it is said that Chambers said, while acting on intelligence, the mother and children were located by the police within the country of Jamaica in a community that is located within the country of Jamaica that is known as Narwood. At least one of these news articles gave me the understanding that Chambers said that the police took the children from the mother and they were handed over to the state agency where they remain until the matter is sorted. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? So it is also said that Chambers said that we eventually took them to the Montego Bay Family Court, which is in the same location of the CPFSA office of viewers and subscribers. So what I'm saying to you, and handed them over to the court. As it is now, they are in state care. See? Now I want to make it very clear, viewers and subscribers, that I'm only explaining to you according to how I understand news articles that I read about this whole situation. See? In my point of view and based on news articles that I read, it seems as if the mother insists that the two children were never missing. See? There seems to be some form of mix-up when it comes down to this whole situation, viewers and subscribers. And when it comes down to the 14th of June 2022 day, which is the alleged day as to when those two children said to have been last seen before they were located by the police in the country of Jamaica, there seems to be some form of issue or certain things being said about that alleged June 14 day. So may I say, and some other things are being said about the whole situation. So please bear in mind that there are more information about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers, right? And there are some allegations that have been made about the whole situation. But here's where I'm going to leave it. And let me know what you think about the whole situation as well. I hope that this video was informative. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself, you see. Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla!